Yes guys, as you see from here, we got the funding. We received the XION over on ByBit. So I will go and showcase you everything that you need to do to be able to get it from the abstraction settings over here, success, all the way to ByBit to then be able to hold it, sell it, or do what you want.
All right, so I am in my cozy pajama and it was a super quick video that I want to make. I was able to claim my XION token and I want to show you everything, not those Twitter posts that you see, put this wallet here, put this wallet there, none of that. So let me go and show you, and we jump straight to the laptop now. And the first thing that I want to showcase you is this video. So as you see here, I got my testnet account activated and I did receive the token and I did all the procedures, 500 XION claim. Now, how was I able to do this? I did the Google step. When you go to the website, which I will leave a link down below, the believe.xion.burn.com website, the first one, instead of putting my email to receive the code, I sign up with my Google account. And this is how we do with the old Gmail account that I used for the testnet. I signed up to the mainnet and everything went smooth like you're seeing on the video. So I literally create my account, created the Meta account. After I created the Meta account, I was able to go and simply sign up and input my testnet. So if we go back now to the beginning of the video, you will see that when it is, I will try to take a screenshot of this and keep it close. You will see that there, once I sign up with a Google account, it says testnet account, and you can have the possibility to go and take a testnet account situation. So you have the possibility to simply have the testnet address. And as you see there, the testnet account, once you click on the testnet account, just like you would do with, for example, the, the Discord name, this and that, and all of them, the testnet account simply says, once again, if you click on the testnet account, it says, how do you want to log in? Do you want to receive the email? Do you want to go through Google? I went through Google again. So it's the second time I went through Google and I went with the same account that I did on the testnet. And it was the one that I signed out with the mainnet. So you have two steps. The first one is to go to the website, do the welcome page, create the account, sign up with Google, go through your Google account, sign up with that. You will be then redirected over here to the verify ownership. And from the verify ownership, once you go to the testnet account, you simply click on testnet account, you sign up with Google again, and that is it. Then the testnet account was seemingly in the same with the, with the other account, with the testnet account. Everything went absolutely fine. Everything went absolutely perfect. And now if we jump to the second video, we have here is the balance. So we can see that the personal account, I got the 500 XION, and we're able to go and send it. And I will showcase you also how to go and be sending it to your ByBit account to go and sell them if you want, or hold them. I will leave you the ByBit link down below. So make sure, if you are not on ByBit yet, make sure to go and register on ByBit. But as we're able to go and see through here, I got my token. Once you go through ByBit over here, you will have the possibility to go and do all of the login details with all of the criteria that you need to do. And I will just keep this part because there are my personal information. So I will get to you back when the video is finished, but it is very, very simple. It is very straightforward. You go and sign up to ByBit. The link is down below if you don't have it, or if you do have it, go to your account. Once you go to ByBit, on the top right corner, you have the possibility for the deposit. We are back on the laptop now, and we see that on the top right corner, you can either go and search for the token, which I wanted to showcase you, XION USDT, which we do have it right now. That is the token. Simply click on deposit and you are good to go. You choose coin to deposit, you have XION, you search for XION, you choose a chain, which is the XION chain, and then you simply acknowledge that. And after that, you will have the memo and you will have the wallet address over for ByBit. And that is everything you have to do. Once you've done that, we simply go and jump to the third video now. Here you see that I have the success of sending one token to the ByBit wallet, one XION token to the ByBit wallet from one wallet to the others. Now, if we go and try to jump straight over to the ByBit account, so let me just figure this out. I'm trying to do this live and I wanted to do this as soon as possible. So we jump to the laptop now, and here is the XION wallet account. As you see here, This is my ByBit trading account. I got a few tokens and I got the XION wallet right here, which I did receive it. So everything that you do for receiving the XION, simply go on deposit over here, or as we did before, go on asset, deposit, to this step by step. You click here, you go and send it over to XION, you select the chain, XION, you acknowledge, you copy this and you go and send it once over here. So back here, you click on the arrow over here, you can send the full amount. So let's go and send 498.9. I believe I can do that. There is a very little amount for the, as we see here, this is the wallet. So simply copy the wallet address. Let's try to do this again so that we know we copy the wallet address, we paste the wallet address, and then we copy the memo and we set the memo here. There is a very minimal fee. Click on review. You can send this amount from this wallet to your wallet. This is not the wallet you have to put, by the way. This is my wallet. So go to your ByBit and simply deposit over here to your wallet that you find over here, and simply click over to confirm, loading, and you will be good to go. You will be able to confirm the transaction. Success, transaction sent. 498 XION have been sent to the wallet. And if we go over here to the asset, we will be able to go and find them. So, or if you simply click over to the asset page, you will have the possibility to see it. Here is the one XION from before, and then you just give it a little bit of time and you will receive the second, third XION, the second transaction, third transaction, whatever you want to do, and then you are good to go. So this is the abstraction transaction. This is the success of it. As you see here, the transfer amount, how much I got left, is basically this one, and I did transfer this amount over to my ByBit. And just give it a little bit of time, you can see the recent transaction, and after that you will see your token over here on your ByBit account. But guys, with that said, forgive me for the girlfriend's gift over here, but very, very important, go and do it if you want. I will hold it. I think I will hold it anyway. Potentially I will hold until the $10 marks. I will see how the trajectory goes, but still, for a free airdrop, really happy. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Make sure to do it, step-by-step guide, and I'll see you later. Ciao, guys.
Yes, guys, as you see from here, we got the funding. We received the XION over on ByBit. So I will go and showcase you everything that you need to do to be able to get it from the abstraction settings over here, success, all the way to ByBit, to then be able to hold it, sell it, or do what you want.